Do you have an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max device, but you don't know how to turn it off or restart your device? You came to the right place. I'm going to show you 3 different methods on how you can shut down or turn off your iPhone 15 Pro and then turn it back on. This will also work if you have the regular iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Plus devices, so just follow my steps. The basic way of turning off your device is by pressing the volume up and side button at the same time and hold them for a couple of seconds. So we cannot press the side button only because that's going to activate Siri. So what we have to do is to press the lock button and the volume up button at the same time. Hold for a couple of seconds until you can see this power off screen. When you get here, you can just slide to power off, and then your iPhone will be shut down completely and you can restart it. But if your volume up or your side button is broken and it isn't working, then there is another method that we can use to get to the power off screen and slide to shutdown. What you want to do is to open the settings on your iPhone 15, then open the General section. When you get here to this screen, you want to scroll all the way down until you can see this Shutdown button and click on it. The power off screen will appear and we can just slide to power off. So this is a method that we can use if our buttons are broken and we cannot use the first method. Those are the 2 ways, but if neither of these work for you, then I have a separate tutorial on how you can do a force restart on your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max device, and I'll leave that video link in the description down below so you can watch it and force restart your phone if these 2 methods don't work. And when you do turn off or shut down your phone, you can turn it back on by pressing the side button one time and wait for your Apple logo to appear. If the side button is broken, another way that you can turn on your iPhone is by plugging in your charger and the phone will automatically start turning on. The iPhone 15 devices use the new USB Type-C, so plug that in and wait a couple of seconds until your phone turns on. That's how you can shut down and restart your iPhone 15 Pro. For more similar iPhone tutorials, make sure to subscribe to Tutor, and I will see you in the next video.